this one. And basically I'm just going to put it on my piece of 12 mil and or something like that. Go for it. But for me, I just want to trace not on our drawn side, on the other side. So basically all I'm going to do is hold that straight and then just draw there and use the same template and do exactly the same on the other side. So I had it flush up here. It should be pretty much the same on both sides. I'm just going to grab my square, and where my lines are, I'm going to draw my line and draw my line. Using our saw, like, well, these are called relief cuts. So we're going to cut there, there to sort of fix it. What I'm doing here is just tracing or just squaring off some lines if you're worried about hitting your fingers. And all I'm doing is really marking that, all right? And then the next one goes down a little bit deeper. So you can see that first one went a little... I'm watching it like a hawk at the back. See the front there needs to go deeper. Just a mark. I've been doing this a while too, so you know, it might take you a little bit longer than that, but that's fine. This is just a learning process. So we're just really building up our skills with our tenon saw here. But at the end of this, to go around with the chisel and just tap it around. It should want to come off. And I'll do the other side. So when with the chisel, obviously, not obviously, but is the good side. So have that facing you. Saving time now, but making more work later that you're going to need the time for. So 2 hands on it. I just find it easier. You may not. Sometimes just to go 2 hands. Pretty good. There's a little bit of a gouge out here, which I don't like, but I'll do another little trick. So clean as you go. Get rid of this. Using file. So this is a round. Use my half round, and I'm just going to go forward like that. Too far down either. So just to give you some point of reference, that's what it looks like there. And that. So with a little bit more work I get that out, but I'm on. So anywhere where there's a bend in it, you want to have a relief cut there, so there and there. So I'm just cutting down to that line there. Degrees when you start, just to create that groove, and then turn it. And once you've done that, all right, you'll see start off out here. Okay, so I finished cutting. It's good. Wrap up our sanding. You can put it down like that and use the iron if you want to. See, you can try using dowel. I'll have some bits of dowel. This is probably an inch in diameter. Chuck your sandpaper in here. I just do the same thing again. This is just some sandpaper stuck to a piece of chipboard, and sometimes it can help. Sides. I can do the sides on here too. I prefer the sanding block, just from habit, I guess. So this is flaxseed oil, which is, I mean, you can put it in salads and all this sort of stuff, like as an oil. But you get a nice sort of yellowy colour if you like that. Basically just go all the way around with just a cloth. And you'll see it looks quite nice. Yesterday, this one I did today. This one here will dry, it'll go a little bit lighter. But yeah, that's it.